Lawn care is really simple. Some of the best advice that I learned a long time ago was that everything that you want to do to your lawn is designed to reduce the stress on your grass. And there is nothing more stressful to your lawn than insects that are biting, chewing, sucking, and eating your lawn. Now, I hear from homeowners all the time about insects like chinch bugs, sod webworms, grubs, ants. All of it are absolutely wreaking havoc on their lawns. Now, I love this product because it's really simple. It's actually got 2 active ingredients in it. Both treat pests above ground and pests below ground. And then later in the video, we're gonna go over some popular questions that I get asked all the time to make things really, really simple for you. Now, it's really important that you always wanna check the label on the back of the bag. So as for me, today I am going after armyworms. It is the middle of August, and armyworms are something that we get around here in North Carolina in the fall time. So to treat armyworms, we want to go out at 2 to 3 pounds per 1,000, and the Andersons makes it really, really easy. They've got all the spreader settings, the target pest, just keeps it really, really easy. Let's get out the spreader and let's take care of some armyworms. All right, so first things first, always make sure that the hopper is closed on your spreader, and then you always want to fill it over concrete in case it were to spill. We wouldn't want to spill this out into the lawn. Now, the thing I like about this product probably the most is how small the prill size is, and I'll show you that here in just a second. So this is a patented thing that the Andersons does that is actually really, really cool. It dissolves really, really easily. It's got a really small prill size, so you'll make sure and get really good control and good coverage. Let me show you what that looks like. Now, I'm going to touch this with my bare hand. Now, this is pesticide, so we want to make sure we follow the proper precautions. So I'll make sure and wash my hands really good. But you can see, as soon as this comes in contact with water, this is going to dissolve really, really nicely. All right, so let's answer some really popular questions that I get all the time. And the first one is, does it kill grubs? And the answer is yes, absolutely. This is fantastic for killing grubs. A couple of things here though, you want to make sure that you actually have active grubs in your lawn. This is not a preventative, this is a curative. So if you have maybe thinking about wanting to control grubs ahead of time, that would be a different product. But if you're actively seeing grubs in your lawn, this is an awesome product for that. Can you apply this over 90 degrees? And the short answer is yes, you can apply this when it's over 90 degrees. Now, my personal recommendation is that we really want to stay off the lawn and not apply anything to the lawn over 90 degrees. My advice would be just to wait till maybe later in the day, maybe as the sun is going down, or do this first thing in the morning. But technically, yes, you can apply this when it's over 90 degrees. Do you have to water this in? Absolutely, yes, you have to water this in. So plan this around rainfall. If you notice the weather behind me, we are supposed to get some rain showers this afternoon, hence why I'm applying this product now. But yes, you need to water it in. Now, if you're going for pests above ground, like armyworms, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, perfectly fine. But if you're going for those grubs where you've got a subsurface pest that you're going after, you definitely want to make sure you get this watered in with at least 1/2 inch to 1 inch of irrigation. But yes, you absolutely have to water this in. Now, this is a big one. Can I fertilize and apply this at the same time? And the answer is yes, you can absolutely apply fertilizer either before or after your application, but you can't put them in the same hopper together. You need to make them separate. So apply your fertilizer and then apply your pest control, perfectly fine. Now, here's a little pro tip. If you're gonna be applying a liquid product, say a liquid fertilizer, try applying that after you throw this down. That way you're not tracking through wet grass. All right, and the last question is, when is it safe for my kids and my pets to return to the lawn? And this is actually really simple. Once you're done watering it in and the area is dry, you are perfectly safe to allow your pets and kids back into the lawn. That does it for the video. Thank you so much for checking it out. My name is Devin. I am the DIY Lawn Coach. If you have a question, please leave that down below. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel and give the video a like. I appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.